This is your local fag, and I'm gonna play My Cat by Jack Off Jill, cause, excuse me, I had a burp! But yeah, I'm gonna play wait, what? I'm gonna play My Cat by Jack Off Jill, except for I am slow and can't remember the lyrics, so I have it pulled up on my laptop, so I'm gonna be standing like a little fucking librarian, but that's okay. It's okay, it's chill, okay. Oh, that burp was atrocious. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna burp during the song because I had one too many Dr. Peppers. Anyway, let's go. My cat, cool cat, good cat, pussy cat. When I see him walking, makes no sense to me. My cat is everywhere. We watch him on TV. My cat is amazing. He can play the guitar. He may not be an actor. He may not be an actor, but he's a pussy superstar. My cat. Cool cat. My cat is everywhere. My cat is everywhere. Sees what he can see. He may not be an actor, but he acts atrociously. My cat is amazing. He can play the guitar. He may not be an actor, but he's a pussy. I can't fucking play. I'm slow as hell.